Hi class, today we're going to talk about half rhymes. For tomorrow's beginning talk about the rap battles. So there's three skills I want to teach you. You all know about full rhymes, or words that rhyme with each other, but there's also this thing called half rhymes. And there's three kinds of half rhymes. There's alliteration, consonance, and assonance. Alright, so tonight's homework assignment that you need to have for class, so I can prove you watched this video, you have to come up with a word that has assonance with your name, a different word that has consonants with your name, and finally a third word that has alliteration with your name. So, first, let's talk about the easiest half rhyme, alliteration. Alliteration is when two or more words begin with the same sound. Now, it has to be at the beginning. This is very pleasing to our ears. If you remember any nursery rhymes, like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, that's alliteration. Example sentence here, Silly Stole says sophisticated sentences. Those all begin with the S sound. Silly Stole says sophisticated sentences. Now, sure, there's some other S's in the words, or S sounds, but alliteration is when they appear at the beginning of words. This is a little different from the next one. Consonance. Consonance is just like alliteration, but that repeating sound can happen anywhere in the middle or the end of the word. So, in Stole's cats taunted the adult toads, what's the repeating sound you hear a lot? The T. It happens at the beginning, but it also happens in the middle of the words. So this is consonants. The T. Stole's cats. There's the T there. Taunted the adult toads. There's the repeating T sound. Now it's not the letter that counts. It's the sound that counts. So even though the word the has a T in it, it doesn't have the T sound that's repeated. Okay. So finally, assonance. Assonance is just like the other two, but the repeating sound is a vowel sound in the middle or end of words. Now it has to be a vowel sound that has different consonant sounds. So try to figure out what the assonance is in this sentence. Does anyone know Stole's favorite tone? You guessed it. It's the O sound. The long O sound. Now it's not here does, because that doesn't have a long O sound. Does anyone know Stole favorite? Close enough. Favorite tone. Alright? It's the long O sound. Now you can fudge it a bit, but basically it has to have the same sound, not the same letter. Just like the does. Even though does has an O, it's not that long O sound. Okay, so these three skills just have repeating sounds. And the human ear just loves to hear that music of repeating sounds. That's why poets, songwriters, and yes, rappers have a lot of assonance, consonants, and alliteration, or half rhymes, in their lyrics. Okay. Again, the homework. Find assonance, alliteration, and consonants, consonants words that have that half rhyme with your name. See ya.